How do you recognize the people you know? Your mom, your friends, how do you know them? You look at their faces, their voice, their behavior. These are called biometrics, or something that people are. But if we can identify people based on something they are, why computers lack this ability? Why computers can't have to rely on passwords or something people have, like phones or tokens? It doesn't have to be this way. I'm Raul of TypingDNA, and we enable apps to recognize users based on the way they type. But why use typing biometrics? It's simple. First, it works with any keyboard, any computer out there, any browser. It works without any additional privilege. Second, experts believe that it's the best technology in the web to measure anything about something people are. So any other biometrics are harder to use, like face or voice recognition, for example. And third, because we see an impressive early adoption. We see Pentagon, DARPA, biggest Northern European banks, Coursera, largest e-learning system, and big corporations already using this technology. And finally, because it's now possible with the advances in artificial intelligence that we're using as well. So there are three things that you can use to authenticate people in any system, anywhere. So it's something you know, like a password, something you have, like a phone or a token or any object-based authentication, and something you are, like a biometric. We've seen passwords, like they're moving away. They've been around for about over 20 years. So, phones and tokens are still around, but I think at some point, because this doesn't represent who you are, they will evaporate in some form. So we will need biometrics, and typing biometrics is the best way now. So the market sectors that are taking this thing seriously are e-learning, e-banking, fintech, health, security, corporate, and government. And the market side only in typing biometrics is expected to reach in 2020 about $800 million. We have an API that works today. Anyone here can start implementing it in any app, any corporate app, any kind of app you want. It's really easy. And we're building a continuous authentication app. This is the first time someone builds something this powerful. It will run on every computer, Mac or PC, and will protect the computer from physically being used by a potential intruder by looking at typing patterns and mouse movements. We know that we talk with a lot of corporations like Microsoft, Deutsche Telekom, Cisco, VMware, big banks, and we know that #1 enterprise security problem is employees don't care about the security, they don't follow security procedures and so forth. I'm running out of time, sorry. So the world needs an extra security layer. We really think that this typing biometrics thing is the way to go. It's a second second factor for authentication that the world needs. Any app out there can use it. We're a team of experts, advisors, and investors from fields ranging from machine learning. I'm a machine learning passionate, sorry. And these are the guys behind. Yeah, these are the guys behind the company. We just raised a seed round from JCAD and a few Romanian investors, probably here in the room as well. And that's all. So I'm Raul of TypingDNA, and we enable apps to recognize users based on the way they type. Still have 10 seconds. Thank you.